open your shoulders. Stretch your shoulder, look like you are swimming backwards. Inhale. Relax your waist, your hips, make a circle gently. Feel your body when you move. Really feel connected to the body. Breathe out, move your two hands down from the left and your two knees straight until actually you can reach as far as you can. Your fingers, even your fingers can touch the earth, okay? Exercise and Qigong practice is a privilege for you to practice, to have this body to practice with, and you can breathe in and breathe out. That is opportunity. You can move your hands, is opportunity. So today we practice with the theme of renewal. What do you mean to renew yourself? For me, it's like sometimes I have emotions. I have tiring in my body, I have suffering in my body, I have heaviness in my mind. So I find a place. I go out to the door, or even I have some time to stop the work and allow myself to relax and practice some exercise, especially for some gentle movement, Qigong movement, to find the balance again with my body and my mind. Exhale. To bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. Truly feel connected to the earth, your 2 feet on the ground. And you feel your in-breath and out-breath. Feel your lower abdomen, breathe in, breathe out. You feel the sunshine and smile to yourself. So we can do warming up. Move your body to the right and to the left. Use your knees down a little bit. One hand touch shoulder and the other hand touch your lower back. And open your shoulders. Stretch your shoulder, look like you are swimming backwards. Inhale. Exhale. Lower your knees down. That's wonderful. And you can look up. Form your two palms, heart form. And you relax the upper part of your body. Breathe in. Out. So do reverse. That's good. You put your two hands on your hips, then you relax your waist, your hips, make a circle gently. Feel your body when you move. Really feel connected to the body. It's wonderful. It's wonderful to move and to feel your body alive. To reverse. Feel your lower back. Okay, that's wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. You bring your mind back to the body. And you feel your 2 feet on the ground. It's wonderful to breathe in and out relaxingly. And you feel your whole body alive, okay? The next movement we call the circle arms, okay? Breathe in, raise up your hands. Breathe out, move your two hands down from the left and your two knees straight until actually you can reach as far as you can. Your fingers, even your fingers can touch the earth, okay? Breathe in, move up again on the right side. And then do reverse out, okay? Slowly, the circle will be bigger and bigger, okay? You feel your lower back, inhale, up. Exhale down and let it go. Breathe in, up, out. Relax your arms and shoulders. Breathe Breathe in. Out. You feel connected to your lower back also. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. That's wonderful. And out. Come back. You put your two palms in front of your lower abdomen. Relax your feet. Relax your knees and your arms. Relax your shoulders. Feel your two legs, two feet connected to the earth. And smile. Put one hand inside and the other hand outside. And just massage your lower abdomen. Smile to your body. Massage the lower abdomen to help yourself to relax your stomach and improve your digestive system. Okay, you feel connected to the body, to the belly. Make the blood and chi and energy flowing good again. Okay. And you can massage your lower back from upper lower back up here and go down 2 legs and go to front and go down again and go in the back. You can do 3 rounds like that. Okay. That's good. And then you can massage your 2 hands together beside your hands. The other side, the other hand. So you can do the cleansing breath, okay? Breathe in, raise your hands up, and you raise up your heel and stand by the toes. When you breathe out, you let go and make the sound ha, okay? To release all tensions and worries. Inhale, deep. Ha, okay? Breathe in. Ha, let it go. Breathe in. Ha, that's wonderful. Open your palms, inhale, deep. Exhale, slow.